Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. Got another cool cover for you guys. We make these both from 3rd, 4th, and 5th gen models. So 04.5 all the way to the current 22s and 23s are coming out. So brake master cylinder. That thing is ugly. So to spruce it up, we designed and built covers. So we have 2 different cover models. One's for the 4th and 5th gen that look like these. Then we have a 3rd gen model that is narrower, so they actually fit and show good on there. We have a couple of different metal options on them, plus the 6500 prismatic powder coat color options to make it fully customizable for everything under the hood, so it's not so doom and gloomy. Super easy install on these. Just get your cap right off, and these will slide right into place. Snaps in, done. Then you put your cap back on, good to go. That simple. CFTperformance.com. Like, share, subscribe.